So let's talk about quantum machine learning, or QML. It's a technology based on the advancement being made in quantum computing. Quantum computing is new generation of computer which is 158 million times faster than the most sophisticated supercomputer that we have in the world today. Well, I started exploring if QML is ready to accelerate cybersecurity data classification in particular. Well, in my opinion, so far, classical and AI, classical machine learning, which is CML, coupled with QML, will significantly change the future of artificial intelligence and machine learning, of course. One of the things I did was to start talking to experts like Marco Paini from Rigetti, which is a leading quantum computing company. So let's see what he says.
Try to rewrite this in a quantum computer.
Got it.
You take that, feed it through this, get your kernel, for example, which is the equivalent of a trained model. Then you have a new data point. You don't run it through your old classifier, or you just run it through that and you get a classification result. So this entire bit does not need to be rewritten from class. You don't need to think through how do I rewrite from classical to quantum.
Got it.
You just take the quantum classifier.
So what do we get? Do we get speed or accuracy or both?
That's a great question. It's a great question, and let me say that there is still a bit of unknown, and I qualify the unknown on both things, both on speed and accuracy. The reason I'm saying there is a bit of unknown is because there isn't clearly yet a case of a quantum machine learning pipeline on a real data set, real world data set, I mean, not like made up, where clearly there is a more accurate classification than classical methods.